Richard is a designer goldsmith, and we have worked with him for many years. His work has featured in some of the greatest showcases of bespoke on single customer commissions. The beauty of Richard's installation is that it has an immediate impression of suspension, of floating. The delicacy of these silver spars that neatly cradle these fantastic amethyst stones. And back at the very center of the installation, there is this brilliant cut diamond stone. This is all offset against a fascinating textural surface.